Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do it. If you have, you're one of my doll babies.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll. Hi.
Who knows? Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today we have another collab because you know we're like collabs. Holy 80s. We got a lot of collabs, okay? So today I'm collabing with OMG, it's Katt. I have collabed with her once before in the past. We collabed on an outre melted wig Harper, which I loved. If you haven't checked that one out, check that one out first. But today we were going to collab on a Sensational Butta lace. I haven't tried any of them yet. Yeah, we're gonna collab on that. The thing I really like about Katt's channel is she does a lot of human hair reviews. As you know, this is a synthetic wig type channel. I don't do human hair here. So if human hair is something you're really interested in, go check out Katt. She knows what she's doing. Just do it. Okay. And I want to thank Katt for collabing with me again. And I can't wait to see which one she picked because I don't really remember. I know it's a Butta lace, but it's different than the one I'm doing. So I'm excited to see what she does. So, put all her deets up here, down there. I'll put all of her deets everywhere, okay? And so, today we're going to do Butta lace 16. Why do they not have names? I don't know. And this is Miss 16, and I have her in the color Flamboyage Mocha. She's heat safe from 350 to 400. She has HD laced. It's pre-plucked. It says that she has a wider part in ear-to-ear lace. It also says
Virtually undetectable HD lace.
Some people say that that's just not true, so who says it blends with most skin tones. They're trying to show you the difference between laces, but we'll look at the cap construction. I'm not sure. I have deets on where I got her and how much, and I'll put that down below. This is her. So I've already worn this wig, and because I am doing a whole new setup with the filming, trying to step things up, and unfortunately, when I got her together and everything, I wasn't filming when I thought I was. But let's look at her. This is her. She was literally just on the ground. But this is her right here. This is the Flamboyage Mocha. You can see that it's sort of a medium brown, and it's got this sort of gorgeous, this is right in here. She does have a really nice lace. Okay. She's got 2 combs in the front. You can see the hairline here too. She's got a mesh stretch cap. She's got a comb in the back and adjustable straps. She is a fairly large wig cap. I'll just tell you that right now. So I wasn't going to wear my wig cap grip, but I'm going to have to because it's a bigger cap. The circumference of my head is 21.5. For some wigs that'll be petite, but in most wigs that is average. So let's get her on. This girl right here is from Motown Tress. This is Riley, and she's in that camo green color. You can't really tell in this lighting, but skiddly-doo. Alright, she is wanting to be a right-sided part. She is a light yaki texture, so there is some texture to this wig. Oh, it's Kit Kat. I'm going to use a little bit of this Bonfire Natural oil-free, I don't know what she's doing, oil-free wig shine, just on the ends here. I'm 5'6.5". I'd say she is probably in the 26-ish. Hi, Kit. She did not like that oil spray. She's probably in that 26-inch sort of range. She really reminds me of Sensational Solana, like a lot. Maybe I should do a comparison between the two, because and the Solana I think I have is in the Flamboyage Chocolate, and this one is Flamboyage Mocha. The color's so pretty. I did have to cut the lace back quite a bit just because of my like sort of head anatomy, and I still feel like there's some lifting. You could use like wig tape or wig glue there. I'm just gonna cut a little bit off. I had the same issue with Solana too. So it definitely is a larger cap if that is something that you are looking for. So with some of these that have these natural baby hairs, I have to like cut my caps back so much that I often can't utilize the baby hairs. But everybody's, you know, head shape is different. I mean, she's really pretty. I mean, she's quite a bit of hair though, so just keeping that sort of in mind.
Let's look at it from the back.
What is wrong? I don't even know. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she is long and she's a lot of hair. Like, that's my hood right there. Like, yeah, she's a lot of hair. If you're looking for a lot of hair, this girl is a lot of hair. I think that she's pretty. I absolutely love this color. Like I said, I want to see what she looks like next to Solana and do an update. Yeah, but overall, she's really pretty. I just love these like blonde sort of mocha latte pieces that they have going on. So that is what I have for you for Miss Unit 16. If you haven't checked out Katt's channel, go ahead and do that. After this video, go ahead and see which butter lace she decided to review. I'm going to head over there because I don't know what she wanted to review, and maybe I'll want to review that one. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the bell and notification and all that kind of stuff. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. You're my doll baby. And I'll see you in my next
You in my next video.
Bye.